In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit card from your Amazon account quickly and efficiently. This process takes only about 5 minutes, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Enter your email address and click Continue. Double check the spelling of your email before moving on. Then, type in your password and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Amazon account dashboard. Move your cursor to the top right corner over Account and Lists, and from the drop-down menu, click Account. Scroll down to find your payments and click on it. This section displays all the payment methods saved on your account. Locate the credit card you want to remove and click on it. Next, select Remove from Wallet. Amazon will prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you really want to delete the card. Click Remove or Confirm to finalize the process. And that's it. Your credit card has now been successfully deleted from your Amazon account. Removing old or unused cards is a good practice, not just for decluttering, but also to enhance your account security. Thank you for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy shopping on Amazon, and remember to stay secure.